Are you an artist looking for a side hustle that resembles dropshipping but is less competitive and boosts your creativity? Let me introduce you to Shopify Print on Demand, a unique dropshipping business model. Well, you might wonder if this side hustle is worth trying, even if you're not an artist at all. In this beginner-friendly video, I will guide you through each step, making it an easy and enjoyable journey to start your own print-on-demand side hustle from scratch. So, how does print-on-demand work? We're all familiar with dropshipping businesses, but print-on-demand takes it a step further. It's like creating your own design business model, which sets it apart from traditional dropshipping. The best part is that it's less competitive and highly customizable, offering you the enduring competitive advantage you're looking for. And the great news is that you don't have to spend money ordering more items that you might not sell. Your primary responsibility is to create stunning designs or hire someone to do it for you, while also marketing your products effectively. Imagine typing graphic tee women's trendy into the Amazon search bar and seeing pages and pages of trending t-shirts with text or graphics on them. With print-on-demand suppliers like Printful, you can have your designs printed on a t-shirt, hoodie, mug, towel, or crewneck without the need to hold inventory like a physical retailer. They handle the printing and shipping process, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating designs and earning from them. It's a rewarding business if done correctly, but let's first understand the bigger picture. Finding winning products is a crucial step that many people overlook in their eagerness to make money. However, it's important to consider whether people will actually like what you're selling. Take the time to identify your niche, or start with a particular product to gauge demand and discover what resonates with both you and your potential customers. As Warren Buffett once said, if you get to be 65 or 70 and later, and the people that you want to have love you actually do love you, you're a success. This quote applies to your future success in print on demand. You don't want to sell products that you don't love or that don't make sense. Research and utilize services like Winnerzilla or product suggestion sites to find winning products. Next, let's dive into the creative aspect. Your design quality and creative ideas matter the most, so it's essential to gather inspiration before creating your own designs. Platforms like Pinterest, Pixels, and Design Inspiration offer a plethora of design ideas. Remember not to copy and steal these ideas, as designs can be copyrighted. Instead, use them as inspiration and recreate something unique. As a business owner, it's crucial to be part of the community and understand what your target audience's preference is. Explore platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Observing what people are wearing and talking about. Use relevant hashtags like #OOTD or #style ideas to uncover trending fashion trends and gain insights. Bringing your ideas to life is the next step. Utilize design makers and free graphic editing software to create stunning designs without the hassle. Printful's Design Maker allows you to add vibrant colors, graphics, and text to your products, giving you the freedom to bring your creative vision to reality. Remember, when designing a product, consider what appeals to your target audience. Understand who they are, what products they like, and where and when they will use or wear your products. This knowledge will help you select the right colors, shapes, and placement for your product design elements. Now that you have your designs ready, it's time to integrate Shopify and Printful. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that empowers you to sell your products worldwide. It offers an intuitive and seamless way to create your online store and manage your print-on-demand business. To integrate Printful with Shopify, follow these simple steps. Sign in for a Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and sign up for an account. Choose a memorable and relevant domain name for your store. Set up your store. Customize the look and feel of your online store by selecting a theme from Shopify's vast collection of templates. You can also add your logo and customize the colors to match your brand identity. Install the Printful app. In your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Apps section and search for the Printful app. Install the app and follow the instructions to connect it to your Shopify store. Sync your products. Once connected, you can start syncing your designs and products from Printful to Shopify. Choose the products you want to sell, set the pricing, and write compelling product descriptions. Design your storefront. Showcase your products in an appealing way by organizing them into collections and creating eye-catching banners or featured product sections. Take advantage of Shopify's built-in marketing tools to optimize your store for conversions. Marketing and promotion. Now that your store is set up, it's time to promote your products and drive traffic to your store. Leverage social media platforms, email marketing, content marketing, and influencer collaborations to reach your target audience. Engage with your audience, build a community, and encourage user-generated content to boost brand awareness. Fulfillment and shipping. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, Printful takes care of the fulfillment process. They will print your design on the selected product, pack it, and ship it directly to your customer. You don't have to worry about inventory management or shipping logistics. Customer service and support. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for the success of your print-on-demand service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, address any concerns or issues, and strive to exceed their expectations. Happy customers can become loyal brand advocates and generate positive word of mouth. Analyze and optimize. Monitor your store's performance using Shopify's analytics tools. Track key metrics such as sales, traffic sources, conversion rates, and customer behavior. Use this data to identify areas of improvement, make data-driven decisions, and optimize your marketing and sales strategies. Scaling your business. As your business grows, consider expanding your product offerings, exploring new niches, and diversifying your marketing channels. Continuously adapt to market trends and customer preferences to stay competitive in the print-on-demand industry. Remember, building a successful print-on-demand business takes time, effort, and creativity. Stay consistent with your designs, stay connected with your audience, and constantly seek ways to improve your products and customer experience. With dedication and strategic planning, your print-on-demand side hustle can evolve into a thriving and profitable venture. So there you have it. Shopify Print-on-Demand offers artists and creative individuals an exciting opportunity to turn their designs into profitable products. By leveraging the power of print-on-demand suppliers like Printful and the user-friendly features of Shopify, you can create a unique online store, showcase your designs, and reach customers worldwide. With a solid understanding of your target audience, a focus on quality design, effective marketing strategies, and excellent customer service, you can build a successful print-on-demand business and unlock your artistic and entrepreneurial potential.